My name is Matilda Elfrana Nirma. I'm a student at Faculty of Teacher Training and English Education at the Catholic University of Indonesia, Saint Paul Ruteng. In this video, I am going to explore the international and domestic tourism. The topic that I am going to explore is New Zealand and Labuan Bajo. The first one is New Zealand. New Zealand is an international tourism destination. Why people need to travel? Just like the heroine in Eat, Pray, Love, travel can be a great relief from the stress and unhappiness that come along with those. People seek from their travels what they don't have back home, such as better weather, nicer scenery, the freedom to do what they want, experience this they cannot normally have, and a slower, relaxing pace. Traveling is a very crucial part of life as it is the best way to get out of the busy schedule. New Zealand lies in the Pacific Ocean to the southwest. New Zealand promises beautiful landscape and serene, equally beautiful coastlines that you can drive along and listening to the sound of the surf. The country is also known for its adventure sport activities as well as its museums, arts, galleries, and the other heritage attractions. New Zealand waters is almost subtropical in the northern part, but moderate and cool down south. The hottest months are January and February, and the coldest July and August. And December until February is the best time to visit New Zealand. These are the New Zealand's summer months. They are considered the best month during visits to visit the country. To relaxing at the beach, hiking, and the other adventure activities are best enjoyed during this time frame. And then attraction. New Zealand is a place where traditional Maori culture mixed with modernity in cosmopolitan cities, charming villages and vast expanses of untouched wilderness. There are some top tourism attractions in New Zealand. The first is Coromandel Peninsula, Abel Tasman National Park, Sky Tower, Napier Art Deco, and Cairo Coral. Social life and values in New Zealand is very different from what we experience in Asia countries and other parts of the world. New Zealand culture is a modern, irreligious, independent society with no embedded class system. Freedom of speaking, expression, and spiritual belief is assured in law. New Zealand is consistently ranked as one of the best countries to live in. However, its natural beauty comes at a high price. The average cost of living in New Zealand is not so attractive. How to get there? The cost will depend on your plans for New Zealand and the type of visa you will need. And then, the cost will depend on your private living standard requirements. And the last, the cost will depend on how long it will take you to find a job and get a visa. And then, the destination during the COVID-19 pandemic. New Zealand has successfully eliminated COVID-19 in the community, with all recent positives coming inside managed isolation facilities. After a handful of cases were found in Auckland in August after 102 days without a positive test, the city went back into a strict lockdown until October. The second is Labuan Bajo. Labuan Bajo is an Domestic tourism destination. Labuan Bajo was only a small fishing site that today has flourished to become the gateway to many exotic destinations in East Nusa Tenggara. The extraordinary interest of travelers to the existence of the Komodo dragons, who are locally called ora, is a valuable alluring factor that amplified by its supernatural park. The park consists of Komodo Island, Padar Island, and numerous smaller islands around them. Labuan Bajo is known as the City of Sunset. You can find plenty of vantage points to enjoy every end of the day with a spectacular sky. There are some interesting destinations that you can discover inside the city. The Mirror Cave is located only 4 kilometers away from Labuan Bajo. You also explore the paths to Cuncarami and Cuncawulang Canyon Waterfall, and also Bukit Cinta, Bukit Sylvia are all vantage points not far from Komodo Airport in Labuan Bajo. Labuan Bajo become more romantic with growth of that ideal holiday spot. And then the events. The 20 and 17 years Komodo Festival, which has been held from 4 February to 4 March 2017. The event supports and promotes all destinations in Labuan Bajo and leave all the potential exciting destination. And then attraction. Labuan Bajo is blessed with extraordinary natural beauty. There are 6 popular attractions in Labuan Bajo visitors can choose from. Labuan Bajo is also located right on the western part of the island of Flores, which hold various hidden tourist attractions that were recently discovered by travelers and also recently developed by the local government. Here are those popular tourist attractions in Labuan Bajo. The first is Rinca Island, Cuncawulang Waterfall, Kanaba Island, Rangko Cave, Padar Island, and Wairebo Village. And then lifestyle. There are positive and negative impact of people in Labuan Bajo. The positive impact, economic increasing and job income. And the negative impact is the lifestyle of Labuan Bajo people will follow the Western people. And then bad pollution, drinking water difficulty, and the people lifestyle in Labuan Bajo is very expensive. And how to get there? Labuan Bajo is accessible by air, land, and sea. Its favorable location on the island of Flores and entry part to Komodo Islands make Labuan Bajo a potential growing destination aside from its rich agricultural potential. And then during the coronavirus, the spread of coronavirus disease has continued to hit Indonesia's tourism sector as more tourism with months-long travel plans cancel their trips to major destinations, including Komodo National Park in Labuan Bajo, West Manggarai, East Nusa Tenggara Timur. And how to survive during the pandemic? To survive during the pandemic is we must follow the government's instruction to stay at home and to avoid spread of the coronavirus disease. And the last is conclusion. New Zealand and Labuan Bajo are 2 best tourism destinations to travel. Traveling is a very crucial part of life as it is the best way to get out of the busy schedule. New Zealand promises beautiful landscape and serene, equally beautiful coastlines that you can drive along and listening to the sound of the surf. And Labuan Bajo was only a small fishing site that today has flourished to become the gateway to many exotic destinations in East Nusa Tenggara. Labuan Bajo is known as the city of sunset. You can find plenty of vantage points to enjoy every end of the day with a spectacular sky. And also there are some interesting destinations that you can discover inside the city. Okay, that is the briefly explanation from me. I would like to thank you for your attention.